Hey, hi guys. So I'm Jitendra here with Parul Bhargav. She's a CEO of V Commission. So she will be sharing her journey, that how did she got started in affiliate marketing and how did she came the idea of V Commission. So Parul.
Hi Jitendra, it's a pleasure that I get to talk to you and to all your viewers. So I've been working as an affiliate myself since 2006, and V Commission was actually brainchild of Tarang, who's my founder. Yes. So
And your hubby.
yes. So he's been a super affiliate, Indian super affiliate since 2006, and I joined him in 2006. 2008 we conceptualized V Commission and we started V Commission. 2006 to 2010 we were focused on US UK markets, and our idea for starting V Commission was actually it's a very affiliate centric story, because at that point in time Indians didn't get acceptance into international CPA networks.
Yeah,
India
that is
was
a big
a-
problem for me also. Same.
India was a fraud zone. So we thought, let's start a network and we'll get acceptance, we'll get credibility. That's how we started V Commission. And in 2010, we realized that Indian industry also is growing and it needs good affiliates, it needs affiliate marketing. So we shifted our focus. Though, of course, Indian industry did not give us huge money as US UK industry back then.
That is a very hard fact for yeah.
Yes, but the way the industry has shaped up in the past 5 years is commendable, and I am sure the way I see US and other international companies trying to venture into India and start Indian affiliate marketing, I am sure that money is now following and now the scenario has changed.
It's change, yeah.
So it's not that now Indian affiliate marketing is not giving you money. It is giving you money. It is giving you first movers advantage, because anyone who's starting now can rise to fame very easily because the ecosystem is developing right now.
Right, yeah.
Right? So that's my journey.
So still, I have seen that many bloggers and Indian affiliate marketers, they don't want to work with Indian affiliate system. So how you want to encourage them that you should join the system and it is not fraud, we will not do any, because we, as I am a blogger and affiliate, I am very scared that Indian affiliate brands, they do these kind of stuff. So,
Correct.
Yeah.
Actually, that's an unfortunate part of our market, that it's not transparent.
Yeah, that's the reason. Yeah.
Yeah, so that is a very, very hard reality that we as a company try to fight a lot with. I'll give you a small fact. When we started in India, the trend was networks will pay you when they get paid from the advertiser. Till date, we don't do that.
Yeah.
We follow a payment term. Whether the advertiser is paying us or not, we go ahead and pay our affiliate. If there's a fraud or if it's a disputed case for fraud, that's the only exception. But these are some, changes in mentality that we are trying to bring to our Indian ecosystem. And as a network, what we try to ensure is that we be very, very transparent. If, for example, I am giving you a rejection of even 10 rupees, I will give you a valid dump.
Reason of
Yes, that these were the leads or sales that were rejected and these are the reasons. I think as networks, this is the maximum that we can do.
So how is the tracking system of V Commission right now?
We use has offers.
So you use has software for tracking, because tracking is the main issue that affiliate marketers face in this scenario.
Yes, we use has offers, and most of the time we've heard that it's very, very good. So far we haven't had any glitches, but the only problem in Indian market is sometimes the advertisers don't have conditional tracking, attribution in place. But we educate our affiliates that this is a merchant that you're working with. He doesn't have conditional tracking, or he doesn't have attribution in place, or this particular campaign has these challenges, so that if you want to promote, you know the challenges beforehand and not after you start promoting.
Right. So this is the case you want.
Yeah, this we transparently try to address, because we know that there are so many startup e-commerce companies in India. They might not know about all these things,
Yeah,
and this is a challenge in our country.
So what hurdles did you face started V Commission? Because there's a huge competition in market right now. You have a big competition like DGM and all this. So how you survive this competition?
Well, the main difficulty for us was we were a very, very young founders, and every time I think we were taken very lightly, saying, you know, that these are kids, they will understand how the market works, they will adapt to the market. But I'm very happy that we've been running this network for the past 8 years now.
Now V Commission is the biggest affiliate network in
Correct.
India.
Yes, and we are the only affiliate network who runs that much amount of traffic, and we are in top 50 Alexa. So I'm very, very proud that so many affiliates trust us for their traffic.
right.
And so that was the only challenge. But the journey so far, by the grace of God, has been very, very good.
So you faced such hurdles in this, that the technology was a hurdle for you for tracking. So did you face any kind of these hurdles?
So Jitendra, actually, we've been very, very clear about certain things in our career. We don't want to do something that we are not experts of.
Yeah,
So we understand we are a marketing company. We are not a development company. We will not even try to develop our own tracking platform. We've always outsourced it to other companies who are powering larger networks, because what people are using in international market now, we might need it some years down the line. So we want to stay updated with what is happening in the international industry. You know, like Europe has cookie policies and so many other policies. India doesn't have compliance right now. But we want to be very, very updated with what is happening there, so that if the need be, we should be very, very quick to adapt.
Yeah, so the need is there. for
Yes.
this thing.
Yes.
So how did your family reacted when you decided that you want to be an entrepreneur? Because in India it's a very social stigma that if you decide to be an entrepreneur.
Correct. So, I would say until about a couple years ago, my family didn't even know what I did. And I'm an engineer by qualification.
Same here.
And every time they thought that I am just wasting my career, and at the end of it, I will probably, you know, come back to hardcore coding.
Job and all
Yes,
this stuff.
yes, and stuff like that. But now, thanks to e-commerce companies advertising online, it is easy to explain that we work as a marketing channel for various other e-commerce companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc.
So how difficult is to work with e-commerce brands, big brands like Flipkart, Amazon? Is it difficult to work with them?
No, I think their account managers are very, very helpful for us at least, and it's not very difficult. The usual challenges are there as the industry is evolving, but I think it's not difficult at all. It's very easy, it's good, it's comfortable. Sometimes we need transparency, which I have great account managers, so they are able to get that transparency for us.
So transparency is there in e-commerce system right now.
Yes. We do get to know about what is happening, what are in planning, how they want to shape up their affiliate programs, what are the commission structures they are thinking about. So I think obviously the decision makers are not in touch with us, but the managers at their end are always talking to my team.
Okay. So who is the decision maker at V Commission right now?
So at V Commission, we have different decision makers at each level. So even the person handling our HR and admin is a decision maker in himself.
Okay.
So every team has decision makers. If anyone wants to escalate anything, obviously as the CEO of the company, I look after it. But I think my team is very, very good, expert, and I won't be wrong if I say that I have the best team in our industry.
Great. So how is the hiring process at V Commission?
Hiring process, so you can either apply to our website or you can drop down to our office with your resume. My HR will attend to you. So we have 3 rounds: HR, her manager, and then department's manager, whichever department you are relevant to. I personally take care of the publisher team directly myself. So if someone is applying as a publisher manager, the 3rd round is taken by me, but all the other hiring is taken care by the team themselves. All the senior level hiring I'm involved in.
So senior level hiring is done by you.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
And what are the next 5-year plans for V Commission?
So the next 5-year plan is, now having achieved the leading affiliate network title in our country, I want to grow our company in such a way that we are known as innovators. We impact the digitization, the way digitization is thought about in our country. We want to spend a lot on research and development to see what are the affiliate marketing methods that are coming up, how many are legit and how many are not, because we've been affiliates ourselves. We understand understand all these methods, and till date we try each one. So, for example, there's a method that I read, on blog of an international of networks publisher manager, saying that this is a platform that you should buy traffic on. We as a company, we try and experiment. When we see that it is good, we try and recommend it to our top publishers, our super affiliates, that this is a new method that this should try. This is converting for Indian merchants
Indian
also.
merchants right now, yeah.
So in the coming 5 years, we want to be the leaders in our space. We want people to see V Commission as an impactful company. We want to spend a lot on research and development. In fact, we've just launched a research and development center in Mohali.
Mohali.
Yes, which will be a research and development as well as an incubation center for startups in Mohali, where we can help affiliate related startups in Mohali with our experience and guidance and other day-to-day grievances that startups deal with.
So any plans to go to take V Commission to international market?
Maybe, I don't know.
So some plans are there.
I think we would focus on India and Indian economy, but if there is enough demand and supply outside of India, I can't deny that we might have a presence there. But since we are an internet company, we don't believe in having a presence everywhere that we get business from. My team can travel, we can travel, we are in touch with our clients. So it's not that we want to have a presence everywhere in the world. We want to go the WhatsApp way, where we are a very, very small but very efficient team making big impact.
Making big impact. Okay, so that is a good news that if you go international, then you can prove that Indian affiliates are trustworthy, because it will improve the trust for Indian affiliate marketers, right?
I don't know, but I think if I am sitting here in India from the past 8 years, I don't need to prove my credibility by opening an office outside of India. What I would recommend is, in your network, if there are people who don't trust Indian companies, I would like to sit with them, I would like to talk, I would like to
Explain
see
them all these.
what are the pain points. If I can help, I'll be very, very grateful.
Okay, so last question, how is your experience at India Affiliate Summit right now? Because you are the sponsor, so...
It has been amazing. The way we conceptualized the show, it has turned out to be the same. We had seen in similar international events, there were long queues and there were huge attendees and there was not a place to step a foot. I am very, very honored that people in our industry have come forward, shown support. There were 1,600 attendees yesterday, which was an amazing number, which we did not expect for the first year. We have 9 sponsors, 36 exhibitors, which is an amazing number for the first show. So I personally am very, very happy. There were some super affiliates who don't do India business right now but international, and they were also here yesterday. I hope they'll be here today as well.
Yeah.
So that is something that we intend to do.
So any more events for V Commission that you be willing to sponsor?
We do attend a lot of international events. We do AdTechs, we do New York, San Francisco, we do Affiliate Summit West and East. We did it last year, we did it this year. We do, so these are, we attend a lot of international events, and if the opportunity be, we'd like to sponsor as well.
Yeah, okay. So thank you, Parul, for this interview. I hope you enjoy and you shared some valuable insight that will help to Indian affiliate marketers to join this V Commission right now.
Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Jitendra.
Parul.